see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Good morning guys, alis tayo. Sprayan ko siya ng pabango. Then pupunta tayo ng town. Minamadali na tayo ni Johnny Boy. Okay. Ayan, naka-ready na siya. Okay, let's go. Okay, come on. Daddy's waiting.
See that around this side here, that window where the curtains are?
Yeah.
Where the light's on, that's just walk around in there, there's a door there.
Okay. Dito kami sa mga guys. Andun si John, oh. Alis din kasi siya. Pupunta siya sa ano? Siyan! Hinatid niya lang kami kung saan magpapapicture yung mga bata. Dala niya yung trailer kasi bibili siya ng hay para sa cows. Okay. See ya! Kasi kung naalala nyo...
See ya, Dad!
See ya, Dad. Bye, Han! Nasa phone pa pala siya. Kasi kung maalala... Who's shy?
Kuya.
Kuya.
He's like this.
Say good morning, boys.
Morning.
Zachary. Kasi kung maalala nyo, nung nag-school photos sila, kuya, no? Yung school nila, kuya, nasa Melbourne kami, diba? So, ang ginawa na lang ng school, binook kami dito sa studio para magkaroon pa rin sila ng school photos. Wala nga lang sila sa, sa group ng, nila, classmate. Pero silang tatlo magkakaroon. And ito yung first time ni Holly magpapa school photos. Right, Baba? Ayan, inayos ko talaga. Inisprayan ko siya ng parang spray net sa atin. Okay, let's go. Punta na tayo doon. No, because you're gonna smile. You don't need bubble gum. Umuulan si Sak. Iniwan niya yung jumper niya. Hindi niya rin kailangan ng jumper. So, dito tayo, guys. Oh, ito yung studio. Ayan yung pangalan. Hoy, here. Hoy, here, kuya. Here. Go, go, go. Go. Come on. Don't be shy. Okay. Go, Holly. Go, Papa. Here. Here. Dito tayo pupunta. Yeah. Good.
Next one, come in.
Okay,
Come on.
come on.
Right.
Okay.
So, what are we here for?
Fun.
Oh yeah? I'm the dentist.
Oh, he's a dentist.
What am I going to do?
Hello, Holly.
Put some chickens in here.
Ito yung studio niya. Bye to guys. Residence.
It's you two first.
You two first, go.
Right. Now, I think we have jacket off.
Jacket off, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, kuya.
Shirt on.
Papa,
Right. That's a camera. Right, you get to be first.
kuya, go.
You can stand on the white line for me. Yep. Can you say cheeky monkeys? Are you a cheeky monkey?
No.
I think you might be. Right. How's that one? Let's go back a little bit. That's it. Can you say smelly socks?
Smelly socks.
What about lollies?
Lollies.
What about elephant's undies?
Elephant and...
Done. Now, Missy Muffet, the three of them together.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, now.
And then I'll go and get the side. Right, okay.
Sa labas siya pipicturean kasi yung sa kindi, sa may mga puno-puno yung pictorial ng mga,
Right, Little Miss Muffet.
classmate niya. Okay, go. Yeah. Bye-bye.
All three of you. Let's come over.
Go.
Three
Go,
of
Baba.
you. Now, Missy Moo, I think. You show him how you can climb up on there. Oh, you can. Very good. Right, you two. Over here.
Go, stand up there, Baba.
Stay there.
Stay there.
Let's see how tall we are. Okay, can you be there? If you go there, turn that way, towards your favourite sister. Hands behind the back. That's it. Right, just go that way, just a fraction.
Just gonna fix it. Don't. It's alright. Yes. Okay.
That's better. Right, 1, 2, 3. Say cheeky monkeys.
Monkeys.
What about lollies?
Lollies.
Done. Now just something like
Look at Baba.
just turn towards your sister a little bit.
Like before.
Just go a little bit closer together.
Baba, no, just put your
Hands
hands
down to
down.
your side, Bubba. Right, And you need to go that way just a little bit. Yep, that's good. We shall smile, Baba.
Smile, Baba.
Say cheeky monkeys.
Monkeys.
Done well. But I need to grab a different camera. Now, where am I going to take this so that it's similar to others? What can I do?
I got your jumper. Close that door, Kuya.
Just raining just a little bit. Okay. You stand there. And I'm going to get right down here and go like this.
You got it?
And something like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it just gives me a nice,
Background.
even background.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. That will do.
That'll do.
Yeah.
Right. So, Baba, what's your name?
Hello.
Sorry, Holly. Okay. Rightio.
Good job.
Well, I'll
Okay.
sort that out.
Okay, we're done. Come on.
Okay. So.
Yes, tapos na kami. I-close ko na yung vlog kasi wala naman kaming ganap. Maulan. And we'll see if we can ring Daddy.
He would be harmed.
Do you think so?
No, I think he went somewhere.
No, I think he would be in the farm. Yeah. He's a nice guy. Yeah. Okay, Han. Good luck. Yes. Bye. Love you too. Bye. Nasa ano pa si Diyan kung saan niya kukunin yung hay. So yun lang, guys. And si Sak, what you gonna have when we get home?
Champorado.
Champorado.
And I want some too.
Which one?
Both.
Both. Gusto niya pareho yung chocolate tsaka yung white. Alright. Kalis na kami, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Bye, guys. At least, meron na silang photos. School photos. Okay, bye, guys. Umuulan, oh. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Kuya.
Bye.
Bye. Sak.
Bye. Bye.
Yes. Patry ko kay Sak. Bye na pala kami. Nag-goodbye na ako. Try ni Sak na may tuyo. Alright. With the chocolate too.
Wait, I want to try up. I want to try up. Pretty good.
Pretty good. Told you. Sabi ko yan ang partner niyan. Tuyo to with this. Okay. So yun na. And school holiday pala yung mga bata, guys. Hindi ko nabanggit sa inyo. For 2 weeks. 1 week na lang yung natitira. Then back to school na sila. Tanya rin na may tuyo. Hot, ha?
Sorry. It burns my tongue.
Go.
You put the headphones. Dad told me it didn't. It still hot.
Bye, Baba. And magtutupi rin ako.
Hey, did I say was that true?
Yeah. Nakalimutan ko lagyan siya nito. Alright.
Okay.
So niya dito. This is called Baba. Oh, it's alright.
Just jumped on my pants.
What do you think?
Good.
Tuyo and champurrado?
Good.
Okay.
Movie.
More? Both? Oh my God. Nagustuhan talaga to ni Sak yung combo nito.
Please.
More tuyo. Tingnan niyo. May tira pa kasi akong tuyo dun eh. Give Holly to.
Go out.
Both, Sak?
Yup.
Anong ya?
Yup. Yes. Yup.
Magluto ulit ako nito. Kasi tingnan, kunti na lang.
Drop one.
Pangalawa na to ni Sak. Sak,
Thank you.
welcome. I told you it's hot.
Oh, I like it.
Gustong gusto niya yung combination ng tuyo. Sabi si Sak. Nagustuhan na nila yung tuyo. Dati kasi ayaw nila. Ngayon gusto na nila. Isasanay nyo lang talaga yung bata.
I like this one better.
And pag lagi yung niluluto, ma-adapt din nila yun. Gustong gusto niya yung white champurrado. Yummy. Okay, bye guys!
Bye,
Kanina pa kami bye ng bye. Guys, tingnan niyo tong aking wok. Super duper rusty na siya. Kinakalawang na siya. And sa likod din, ganun. Super yucky siya. So, ang gagawin ko ay i-scrub ko siya. Tatanggalin ko yung kalawang as much as possible. Tapos, hugasan, linisin, and then isi-season natin siya para hindi na siya kalawangin. Sobrang tagal na nito sa akin, 7 years or more. Pero ginagamit ko naman to once in a while. Pero pag ganito kasi yung itsura niya, tinatamad akong lilinisin ko siya ulit. So, ang gagawin ko na ngayon, ay gagawin ko na yung tamang paglinis nito, yung isi-season natin siya para hindi na siya maging rusty. Yan yung itsura niya. Then, tingnan natin kung ma-restore natin siya or mapapaganda natin siya. Gagamitan ko siya ng Mr. Muscle kasi ito yung meron ako dito na pang kuskus sa mga stainless. And ito, panlinis ko to sa oven. So, odorless siya. So, sprayan ko lang siya. Ayan, nasprayan ko na siya. Siguro hayaan ko lang siya mga 20 minutes. Wait lang, meron tayong dito. Oops. Ayaw na. Hiningal ako. Kinukuskus ko na pala siya. After 30 minutes ko siyang binaba dun sa Mr. Muscle. Ngayon, eto ang aking ginagamit na pangkuskus. Yung parang ano siya, yung steel. Tapos may sponge kasi nga baka mabutas yung aking glove. So, ginawa ko siya parang hawakan. And sobrang nakakapagod siya. Nakakahingal siya. Pero so far, ayan, oh. So, ipagpapatuloy ko lang ang pagkukuskus nito. Yes? Wow. So, yan yung nakuskus ko na. And eto yung hindi ko pa nakukuskus. So, sige. Kuskusin ko muna to and update ko kayo mamaya. Pinapainit ko na rin pala yung oven kasi ilalagay natin siya sa oven later. Grabe, nakakahingal siya. Para ka rin nag-exercise pag eto ay kinuskus nyo. So, ayan. Tapos ko na siyang kuskusin. Ngayon is i-reveal natin kung ano naging itsura niya. After natin siya ma-scrub. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ayan na yung itsura niya. Compare kanina, much better siya. Pero, hindi pa ako tapos magkuskus. Kuskusin ko ulit siya. Siguro this time, maglalagay ako ng baking soda. Pero, bago ko yung gawin, kuskusin ko muna rin etong sa labas. Okay. Tapos ko na rin kuskusin yung likod. Ayan na yung itsura niya. Pero, hindi ako masyadong nag-effort dyan kasi wala lang. Mamaya na lang pag dinagyan ko siya ng baking soda. Baba, say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing?
Drawing something for Kirby.
Quick, Kobe.
Sophie.
Yung Sophie. Punta kasi dito si Kobe maya-maya. Tapos ko na siyang kuskusin at saka hinugasan ko siya ng sobrang mainit na tubig. And ngayon kailangan ko si John kasi patatanggal ko to. Kasi ilalagay ko na siya sa oven after ko siya malagyan ng oil. So, yan na yung aking next step. Kinuha lang ni Jan si Kobe sa bahay nila. Dito na si Jan. And, kumuha siya ng... What's that, flies?
Moldy grapes.
What do you call that?
Moldy grapes. What are you
Moldy
trying to say?
grapes. Because I'm gonna put in the oven and I need to remove that wood. Okay, can you remove this one? Can
What we do?
yeah, the wood. Wait, but there's another. Yeah, maybe just twist it, hon.
What do you reckon? You can't take that whole thing
No,
off.
no, no, just the wood.
It's glued.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, wag na lang. Wait lang, guys. Ah, yan. See? Okay. Ayan. Good job, Ann. Thank you. So, ngayon, lalagyan, ida-dry ko lang siya, tapos lalagyan ko na siya ng oil. Then, lalagyan ko na sa oven. Pala yung wok, hinugasan ko ulit siya ng may sabon and in-scrub ko ulit one more time para talaga sobrang linis niya. And, ayan, tingnan nyo naman, compare kanina, diba? Sobrang, ano na siya, kalawang. So, ngayon, pinapat-dry ko lang siya ng paper towel. And dito rin, ipapat-dry natin. So, ayan na rin yung itsura ng likod niya or yung puwetan niya, oh. So, ngayon, ipat-dry ko lang siya ng maigi, then lagyan ko na siya ng oil. Super dry na yung wok natin ngayon. Lalagyan ko siya ng oil. Siguro mga 1-2 tablespoon or 2 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. Depende sa inyo. So, ayan, may oil na tayo. Then, kuha lang tayo ng tissue or paper towel. Then, spread lang natin yung oil. Same sa likod din, yung ilalim nito. Then, ilalagay na natin siya sa oven. Parang naparami ko naman yung oil. Pero okay lang. Kasi magagamit ko yan sa likod. So, wait lang ko. Ako ng paper towel.
Are you boys yarn?
So, ayan, spread na natin ng maigi yung oil. Ngayon naman yung likod or yung petan. So, ayan, ilalagay ko na siya sa oven for 20 minutes. So, kanina pa naka-preheat yung oven and linagay ko siya sa pinaka-high heat. So, ngayon, ilalagay na natin yung wok. Oops. So, ingat-ingat lang kasi sobrang init. So, mga 20 minutes. 20 minutes natin siya i-bake. Natin siya i-bake. Ayan, naka 20 minutes na siya. Patayin na natin muna siya. Oh, ayan na yung kulay niya, guys. Kunin ko lang siya. Guys, di ko na natapos yung pag-seasoning ng aking wok. Kasi si Jam, sabi niya mag-base daw ako kasi alis kami. Kasi nga, di ba nandito si Kobe, kami yung magdadala kay Kobe. Kasi may footy game siya. So, kami magdadala doon. So, manunod na rin kami ng footy niya. Kasi si Kylie may work. And yung papa niya wala rin dito. So, yeah, kami magdadala kay Kobe. And hinugasan ko na pala siya. Ayan na yung naging itsura ng ating wok. And kailangan ko pa siya dapat na second coating. Kaso, pagpatuloy ko na lang to pagdating namin. Tingnan nyo, nakilay na ako, guys. Ayan, so, sige, mamaya na lang. Ang plano ko sana, hindi ako mag-vlog. Ito lang sana yung gagawin ko yung before and after ko ba siya ma-seasoning yung wok. Kasi di ba nakita nyo naman yung itsura niya, sobrang rusty siya. Ito kasi, pag siniseasoning daw yung wok, hindi na siya magiging rusty pag hinuhugasan mo siya. Hinugasan ko siya sa mainit na tubig, tapos kinuskus ko siya ulit. Yung ano na lang, hindi na yung talim, yung ano lang, yung foam. Kinuskus ko siya, tapos ngayon, lagyan ko siya ng oil, then mamaya, ipagpapatuloy ko yung pag-seasoning nito. So, ayan na siya dyan, mamadali na ako nito. So, ganyan na yung itsura niya. At least, hindi na siya rust, guys. So, ayan. So, sige, lagyan ko muna ulit siya ng oil. Ito na siya, na-seasoning ko na ulit siya ng oil, pati dito sa dyan. So, mag-lipstick na ako kasi alis na kami, maya-maya. Paalis na kami guys. And kanina, wala akong matinong opening ng vlog. Kasi nga, ang plano ko lang talaga ay ipakita sa inyo yung before and after nung walk. Kasi nga, di ba, napaka-rusty or ano ba yung tawag yung kalawang. So, yun dapat lang ang aking gawin. Kaso ngayon, aalis tayo. So, mag-vlog na lang ako. Ipagpapatuloy ko na lang yung kanina. And ayan si Kobe. Is your mom coming later?
Yeah, she's coming when we
She'll
get
be
up
there when we get there.
Ah, okay. Kasi
Just didn't have to come back and get Kobe and go back up again.
that's right. Oh, para hindi na pala bumalik si Kylie dito para ko si Kobe. Kami na lang magdadala and kami manunood na rin kami na. Is this your first game?
No, this is like my third.
Ah, your third. Okay. So yan si Kobe. Baba, what are you drinking? V8. Put your arms please. So today pala is last week ng holiday ng mga bata. Kasi 2 weeks, di ba, nabanggit ko ata sa inyo, may 2 weeks silang holiday. Ito na yung last week. Today is Wednesday, April 21. Then next week, balik na sa school yung mga bata. And mamaya ipagpapatuloy ko na rin yung pag-seasoning ko ng walk. So, yep. And sa Mount na rin yata kayo kakain ng dinner. So, update ko na kayo mamaya, guys. When? Today?
No, today I don't go? Nah.
No.
Yeah, today I went there.
Punta muna kami pala sa where we going, honey? Nakalimutan ko. Where we going?
Electrician.
Electrician. To get what?
Battery.
Battery for your boat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Punta kayo dito sa electrician para kumuha ng battery para sa boat. And si kuya pala, nandun siya sa pinakalikod. Kuya! Wave, kuya! Kuya! Wave! Ayun doon si kuya sa pinakadulo. Kasi nandun siya sa likod. Kasi dito si Kobe. Ang tangkad na ni Kobe. Kung maalala nyo, nag-flashback ako ng picture ni Kobe na ang liit niya pa ngayon. Tingnan nyo na, ang laki niya na. Binata na. May girlfriend na siya. Okay, see you, Han?
This is a battery place.
A battery place. Andun na yung battery nilagay na sa likod.
They're playing the other South team at
South Red.
South.
No?
South White had all the gun
You can.
players
Holly, is the
there
battery there?
on Saturday.
Yeah.
You sure? Okay.
Righto.
Let's go.
Now we're getting out of here, cars. Oh, yeah, swing around there.
When did you order your battery, Han?
I didn't order it.
Oh. You just pick it up and get it?
Yeah, he's got plenty in there.
Oh, okay. Galing, ah.
So he sells batteries. I didn't get a charger.
Oh, I thought you ordered before.
No. I rang him today and said I need a battery and that. Yep, no, I've got that. Yep, right, I'll pick it up tonight. Right, I was like.
Okay, punta tayo sa footy game ni
I've just got.
Kobe. And good luck,
Well,
Kobe.
this is now getting this thing for the tap.
Hindi pa pala tayo pupunta dun sa game ni Kobe.
There
Dito
it
tayo
is.
sa
There it
bahay
is.
ni
There it is.
Melissa. I-fix niya yung yung papafix namin yung
grabs that one.
top namin kasi medyo wiggly. Yung hugasan ko ba doon kung saan ako nagugas ng ng kanina nung walk, napansin ko para siyang para siyang maluwang. So hindi na si Jace ang mag-aayos ng aming top. Siya na lang daw. Hiniram niya na lang yung tools. So you just borrow the tools?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tingnan natin kung ma-fix niya. No, there's no school sack.
Well, all the doors open.
Cute ng kids. Okay, totoo na. Punta tayo sa ni Kobe game. Umuulan pa naman. Ang lamig ngayon, guys. Tapos umuulan.
Cloud.
Yeah, pie face.
Pie face.
Yeah, what?
I don't know.
They want to sell coffee. Go off.
They
No.
sell like
Kuha muna siya ng coffee niya. May dala naman siyang pythons.
They had the real big bags of pythons.
Really? Why you
It
didn't?
was $16 for it.
oh,
Why you didn't get it?
Well, I should have.
Yeah.
I should have got it.
Yeah, go. Ito, meron daw mas malaki pa nito, oh.
I should have got it. Oh.
Go.
Dio?
Babalikan niya.
Do you like pythons?
Yeah, we do. We always get this one every time we travel. Kahit hindi nagta-travel, lagi itong binibili ni Jen. Bumalik siya para kunin niya yung pinakamalaking bag ng pythons. Ayan, water. Mamaya pa naman yung game ni Ko, 4:30. What time is your game? 5?
I have to be there by 5, but it starts at 5:30.
5:30 mag-start. 4:35 pa lang naman. Ayan.
We have half an hour.
1,
Ayan na si Johnny Boy.
4, 5.
Let me see. Oh my God, ang laki nga.
That's what I'm talking about right there, mate.
Oh my God, first time. This is my first time seeing this, son. You too?
Nah, we drew a giant battle.
Oh my God, no artificial colors.
You got it.
My goodness. Hala. Sugar for more. Na tayo sa oval. Kung saan maglalaro si Kobe.
A, B, C.
The Black Cobs.
Thank you.
You're coming back or?
Are you coming back?
I'm just gonna go put my bag.
Okay.
No, stay in there, Holly.
Stay here, Baba. Wow, you got your hat? Good job. Hindi ko makita. Patay, guys. Wala pa sila, Kylie.
Kobe, the footy.
Yum. Ah, what's that, Papa? Hi. You got coins? Buksan niya na yung pinakamalaking pythons.
Okay.
Naubos na namin yung isang bag. Yung kanina. Give me one, please. Thank you. Sarap. Diyan talaga yung nilagay. Doon na yung mga bata. Mag-kick lang muna sila habang hindi pa nag-start. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Ito si Holly. Puno-puno ng lollies yung bibig ni Zach. Ang lamig. Ayan na. Nagwa-warm up na sila. Ayokong lumabas. Kasi sobrang lamig. Pero yung mga bata tsaka si Jan, tingnan nyo, enjoy na enjoy sila sa pagkikik. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Si Holly, parang saling pusa lang siya, tingnan niya. Kanina pa siya pa balik-balik pero hindi niya nakukuha yung ball. Pero nakapag-kick na rin pala siya 2 beses. Dala ko yung tira kong salted egg na fish skin. Binuksan ko to nung isang araw. Na IG story ko to. Sarap siya. And si Kylie nag-text na. Bumili lang daw siya ng hot chips. Yung french fries. Nag-text siya kay Johnny Boy. Ayun. Wala. Ayaw pa nilang pumasok sa car. Pero pa nag-start na yan. Papasok na sila kasi malamig. 5:30. 5 pa naman. 5:30 ata mag-start. Wala pa. Ano pa lang? 4:50. So, eto na lang naman yung natitira. Kunti na lang siya. Mauubos ko na to ngayon. So, kain guys. Pa tayo. Wait lang. So, yan. Sarap. Naubos ko na. Wala pa rin si Kylie. And yung mga mag-aama ko, andun pa rin sila. You had enough?
No.
Na?
So, all the time.
Andun pa. Ay, nanood ako ng YouTube. Andun sila, oh. Hindi pa sila tapos. Umuulan na. Dito pa rin yung chips. 2 pala yung kinuha ni Kylie. Meron siya doon sa sasakyan. Eto, binigay niya sa amin. Ang init pa rin ito.
Oh, shall we have chips?
Yeah.
No good, don't only go soggy there.
Okay, you can have it. Brinag niya kay Holly. Ay, kay Holly. Kylie, yung pinakamalaki niyang pythons. Yeah, nan.
No. You just do this.
No, here.
No, because then you got to open the whole lot.
Alright.
Just rip a hole in the top like that, see?
Alright. She got two big bags like that.
Alright, they're alright.
Kain na rin tayo ng chips, guys. Crispy. Yum. Yum. Sarap?
Huh?
Sarap.
Very good.
Yeah, nice. Hindi mo kailangan ng gravy. Malasang malasa siya. Can close the door? Yung mga bata, andun pa rin sila naglalaro.
One chip, Baba? One chip?
Yo. Come on, Baba? Yeah, it's cold. Ayun na si Sak. Hinarap niya yung tubig. Chicken? Chips.
Hot chips.
Very nice chips.
Beautiful.
Cold, Sak? Huh? Pero sabi naman hindi kasi...
I'm getting sick.
Why? Well, stop running around and stay in the car. It's freezing outside.
I'm hot.
Anong you're hot? Dito na rin si Kuya. Stay here for a while, okay?
Why?
Because it's freezing outside, Kuya. Oh, no, it's not.
We've been running around.
I know, but it's freezing. Oh, no, it's not hot.
You're hot.
I'm cold. You want some chips, Kuya?
Nah.
No, ayaw nila. Oh, you said no.
Ow!
You said no. Mag-start pa lang sila. Anong oras na? 5:37. Ang cute ni Sophie siya ni sa kanina. Ay, hindi ko na-vlog. Kanina, lumapit si Sophie kay Isaac, tapos nag-uusap sila. Tapos yung mga facial expression ni Sophie ba? At siya kanina. Sayang hindi ko na-vlog. First quarter pa lang naman to. Gabi na guys. 6 o'clock na.
Losing.
They just started, Sa. No, they're not losing. They just started.
They're losing by 1 goal.
Yeah. Kasi simula lang. Wala pa nga. Si Kuya kanina pa pabalik-balik. Nilalamig na talaga ako. Tingnan yung guys. Pinasok ko na yung pa ako sa jacket ko. Kasi sobra talagang lamig. Ha?
How is it cold?
Oh, freezing. Si Holly andun din sa labas. Ayaw niya pumasok. Kanina nandun siya sa car ni Kylie tsaka si Sophie. Doon sila kumain ng chips. Dito lang tayo sa car. Umuulan na. Si Kuya TJ, ayaw niya talagang pumasok. Si Jan din nasa labas andun. May kausap siya. Hindi natin makita si Kobe. So, naglalaro pa sila guys. Umuulan nga lang. Tsaka sobrang lamig. TJ! It's raining. Get inside. It's raining now. Ayaw nilang pumasok. Zach! Isa rin tong daddy. Si Holly nandun sa car ni Kylie. Si Jan, ayun din. Nagpapaulan din siya. Si Kobe andun din. Siyempre naglalaro. Rain or shine. Dilim na guys. Han, can you call your kids please? Ayaw nilang makinig sa akin.
Oh, you boys, get the car.
Get in the car na. Lumalakas na yung ulan. TJ, Zachary, get in the car please. Sinabayan na rin sila ng daddy nila. Get in the car. Uy, sobrang lamig. Zachary? Zach!
Zach, get in the car now, hurry up.
Get in the car, boys. Hey, ang lakas na ng ulan si Jan. Andun pa rin siya sa labas, nakikipag-usap.
Dad, you want to jump in the back? No. I'm taking my shoes off and going in there.
Oh.
Sorry.
Wala silang magawa. Maglalaro sila doon sa likod. Maya-maya pa ito matatapos kasi rain or shine talaga to guys. Basang-basa na silang lahat. Go, Kobe! Hindi nyo makita eh.
Where's Kobe?
There. Hindi nyo makita. Oh, yes.
Kobe,
Wala
Ma.
kayong makita guys. Kasi eto, sabi ko kay Jam Panda rin yung car.
Dad!
So, i-wipe lang natin to. Para makita natin si Kobe.
Yeah, let's go in the back. Come on. Put it on the auto.
Yeah.
We can't see anymore.
I
know.
That's why I'm going to do this.
You're so wet. Look at you.
I want to come out.
Ayaw
Nah,
na
it's wet,
pumas-
mate.
It's wet.
Oh, Seth kick to go.
It's just the aircon's on to get rid of that, see?
Oh, it's freezing.
Look.
Off
Yeah.
na. Okay na.
Yeah, hey,
Oh,
got
Kobe, it's
goldman
Kobe.
snapper and bloody what are they called? Tomato.
Heater na kami guys. Yay! Naka-heater na kami. Sobrang lamig.
What, Kobe kicked it?
Ayun si Kobe. Hindi nyo makita si Kobe.
Where is he? Kobe! He got the ball! He booted it high!
Yeah, it's freezing. Tumigil na yung ulan. And yung boys. Alright, i-off niya muna. Yung mga bata, ayun. Nagsilabasa na ulit sila. Ano, time, ano pa tawag yun? Parang break time ba? Break time? Nandun na sila, magkikik na sila ng footy. Nag-start na ulit sila, Kobe. So, yung dalawa, andun pa rin sila sa labas. Guys, 7:02, nanalo sila. Cubs, congrats! Congratulations! Andun siya, oh. Nanalo sila. Sobrang lamig. Ano na, 7 o'clock na. 7:02. Ay, sana umuwi na kami kasi sobrang lamig na talaga ako. Ito pa rin yung position ko, guys. Nag-stretching lang ako kanina. Inalis ko to para ma-stretch ko lang yung legs kasi namanhid din siya. Pero binalik ko rin ulit sa ganito. Hindi talaga ako lumabas ng car. Yung mga bata lang. Andun na naman sila, oh. Okay, sit down, people. Ayan si Sophie. Dito siya sasabay sa amin kasi mag-stop over sila sa bahay kasi doon kami kakain. Magma-McDonald's lang kami. Mag-take away siya ng McDonald's tapos sa bahay kakainin. Okay, come on. Put your seatbelt. It's alright. Come on. Seatbelt, please. What's taking so long, man?
Oh, we're talking.
I know, you talk a lot.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
You know they're coming to our house.
Hindi siya pumasok dito sa
Sophie's
car.
not.
Come on, put your seatbelt,
What's yours
please.
all?
What?
Oh, there's your temperature over there.
Dad!
Well, what's wrong with my temperature,
Sophie
hon?
is coming.
Sophie's in her car.
Okay, put your seatbelt, please. Let's go.
Here.
Right.
Okay.
How come the lights on?
Not sure. Okay.
I've been at their playground.
Drive through tayo, guys.
So high and wet.
What would you like, Holly?
A happy meal.
A Happy Meal.
A meal, TJ?
Oh, yun.
burger.
Just a chicken burger.
That's right, that's it.
That's it.
Dad, I want a smoothie.
Bahay na kami. Mag-aalas 8 na. And ito yung ating dinner tonight. Si Kylie wala pa. Hinintay namin si Kylie pero parating na rin yun. And ayan yung ating walk. Mamaya, gawin natin yan. Ako pala. Wala. Alright. Ano na ko? Wala na akong memory. Oh my God. Hindi namin nakuha yung ano ni Holly, yung Happy Meal na burger. Pero eto, nakuha niya kasi binigay ito nung nagbayad si Jan. Tinanong pa kung babae o lalaki yung ano sa Happy Meal sa amin yung girls. So, wala yung burger. Kulang ng isa.
Lead him here, Bob.
Wala pa rin sila, Kylie. So, kain muna kami. Dito na sila. Maliligo lang si Kobe dito sa amin. Hot shower kasi basang-basa siya kanina. So, kain na muna. Dito na sila. Dito na lahat.
In this room is alright.